SMETA, SEDEX members ethical trade audit, professional consultancy and audit readiness services, presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Welcome everyone. In today's global business environment, ethical business practices, responsible sourcing, and supply chain transparency have become essential for organizations seeking long-term growth and international market access. Global brands, retailers, importers, and multinational companies increasingly expect their suppliers to demonstrate compliance with international labor standards, health and safety requirements, environmental responsibility, and ethical business practices. One of the most widely recognized methodologies for evaluating these areas is the SMETA SEDEX Members Ethical Trade Audit. Welcome to this informative session by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's video, we will discuss what is SMETA, why organizations require SMETA audits, benefits of SMETA, four pillars of SMETA, industries covered, audit process, common non-conformities, benefits for suppliers, why choose URGS International. Let us begin. What is SMETA? SMETA stands for SEDEX Members Ethical Trade Audit. It is one of the world's most widely accepted ethical audit methodologies used by organizations to evaluate responsible business practices throughout their supply chains. SMETA helps organizations assess labor standards, health and safety, environmental performance, business ethics. The objective is to provide customers and stakeholders with confidence that suppliers operate responsibly and ethically. Today, thousands of global brands rely on SMETA as part of their supplier qualification process. Why is SMETA important? Modern consumers and international buyers increasingly prefer products manufactured under ethical and responsible working conditions. A strong ethical compliance program helps organizations protect employee welfare, improve workplace safety, strengthen customer confidence, enhance corporate reputation, support ESG initiatives, meet buyer requirements, reduce supply chain risks, improve operational transparency, increase export opportunities, support responsible sourcing. SMETA demonstrates that an organization is committed to sustainable and ethical business practices. The four pillars of SMETA. SMETA evaluates organizations across four key pillars. First, labor standards. This includes employee rights, working hours, fair wages, no child labor, no forced labor, freedom of association, no discrimination, employment conditions. Second, health and safety. The audit evaluates workplace safety, emergency preparedness, fire safety, machine guarding, personal protective equipment, first aid facilities, occupational health, accident reporting, training programs, safe working conditions. Third is environment. Environmental assessments covers waste management, water management, energy consumption, air emissions, pollution prevention, environmental compliance, chemical handling, resource conservation, environmental monitoring. Fourth, business ethics. This includes anti-bribery, anti-corruption, business integrity, whistleblower mechanisms, responsible procurement, ethical business conduct, transparency, corporate governance. Together, these four pillars provide a comprehensive assessment of organizational responsibility. Industries that require SMETA. SMETA is applicable across numerous industries. These include textile manufacturing, garment manufacturing, leather industries, footwear manufacturing, consumer goods, food processing, pharmaceutical manufacturing, chemical industries, packaging industries, engineering companies, automotive suppliers, furniture manufacturers, home textile industries, electronics manufacturing, export-oriented units, retail supply chains. If your organization supplies products to global buyers, SMETA can significantly strengthen customer confidence. Benefits of SMETA audits. Organizations implementing SMETA experience several business benefits. These include improved ethical compliance, safer workplaces, better employee engagement, enhanced customer confidence, improved supplier relationships, reduced operational risks, greater supply chain transparency, improved ESG performance, increased export opportunities, competitive advantage, reduced reputational risks, support for sustainability goals. SMETA is no longer viewed simply as a customer requirement. It has become a strategic business advantage. SMETA audit process. The typical SMETA process includes initial gap assessment, document review, management discussions, employee interviews, facility inspection, health and safety evaluation, labor compliance assessment, environmental review, business ethics assessment, identification of non-conformities, corrective action planning, follow-up verification. The objective is continual improvement rather than merely passing an audit. Now, common non-conformities. During SMETA assessments, organizations often encounter issues such as incomplete employee records, working hour violations, improper overtime management, insufficient safety training, emergency preparedness gaps, machine safety deficiencies, poor housekeeping, chemical storage issues, waste management deficiencies, incomplete environmental records, missing risk assessments, weak business ethics procedures, lack of internal audits, corrective action delays. Early identification of these gaps helps organizations strengthen their compliance before customer audits. Now, why choose URGS International? URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited provides comprehensive SMETA consultancy and audit readiness services. Our expertise includes SMETA gap assessments, pre-audit readiness, ethical compliance reviews, labor standards assessment, health and safety evaluation, environmental compliance, business ethics assessment, corrective action planning, supplier compliance programs, employee awareness training, management guidance, continuous improvement support. Our experienced professionals help organizations build sustainable, ethical, and globally competitive supply chains. At last, closing. Ethical business practices are now a critical expectation across global supply chains. Organizations that invest in SMETA not only meet customer requirements but also improve employee welfare, enhance operational excellence, strengthen brand reputation, and build long-term business resilience. If your organization is preparing for a SMETA audit, supplier qualification, customer compliance requirements, or ESG initiatives, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is ready to support you with professional consultancy and implementation services. Contact us, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Please message on WhatsApp for any query. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more professional content on SMETA, SEDEX, ESG, sustainability, ISO standards, social compliance, inspection, audits and corporate compliance. Thank you for watching. Build ethical supply chains, strengthen global trust, partner with URGS. Thank you.